Welcome to Lone Crow Adventures, the channel where we talk about all things camping, hiking, and backpacking. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure to do so now. We have a ton of excellent content on this channel I know you'll enjoy. Today we are filming on location at Voyageurs National Park in Minnesota, and I'm going to be showing you guys the gravity filter that I use. It is the Lifestraw Flex gravity filter. Hi, I'm Samantha, and this is Lone Crow Adventures. This is the Lifestraw Flex gravity filter. This filter actually features a dual filter combination. It has a carbon filter, which is used up to 25 gallons or 3 months of drinking water. And what it does is it removes any chlorine or heavy metals from the water, and it greatly improves the taste of the filtered water. The microbiological filter is good for up to 500 gallons of water, and that equals to about 3 years of fresh drinking water. And it removes all parasites, bacteria, E. coli, Giardia, and protozoa from the water. This way you can make sure you have nice, clean drinking water. The unit itself is very lightweight and it rolls up very compact. The weight on this item comes in at 13.6 ounces. This is what the Lifestraw Flex gravity filter looks like once it's fully assembled. Now, before you go to get water, you're going to want to disconnect the hose, and that is accomplished through depressing this little plastic clip. So you push that in and you take the hose off. It's really important that you protect the clean end of your filter at all times. You don't want this to come into contact with any of the contaminated water because it puts you at risk. So make sure that the cap is on when it's not in use, and try to avoid getting this end of the filter in the water. The nice thing about this filter is there's a few different ways that you can use it. I like to use a receptacle, and what I've chosen to use for this trip is just a 1 gallon plastic jug that I've brought along with me. So I'll hang it and then I will drain directly into that jug. But this hose here will disconnect, and you can actually use the filter to go directly into a hydration bag, or you can filter it into another receptacle of your choice. And as all Lifestraw products, you can actually use this as the Lifestraw itself. So you would put the contaminated end into the water, you would pull the cap, and then you would drink directly from the water source this way, just like with the traditional Lifestraw products. One of the things I like about the Lifestraw Flex gravity filter is that it features a very large opening on the bag, which makes it very easy to collect water. I don't really like the water filters that have the small little openings because it can be difficult to collect water, especially if you're in some shallow conditions. So this allows you to get a nice good scoop of water. And it has a nice long handle too, so you can push it out from the shore. And a couple scoops will do the job. Get a good amount of water in there. And then, just like a dry bag, you fold this over a couple times and clip it. And then you're ready to start the filtration process. Now, before you go to use your water filter for the first time, you're going to want to take a quick read through the instruction manual to make sure that you have primed the filter properly before use. And that just involves running some fresh water through it and soaking the filter to get it ready. But the instruction manual will explain all of that. It does come with an irrigation syringe to flush out any buildup that's in there. And I like to do this between each and every filter cycle just to make sure that I'm not going to have any clog issues inside of my filter. So I have some water that I filtered yesterday. So I'm just going to pour some into this little cup here. And we put the syringe in there. We can just pick up some water. And you always want to flush with clean water. You don't want to flush with contaminated water. So get a nice good amount in there. And then you're going to insert this directly into the dirty end of the filter. And just give it, oh, I guess I should take the cap off. There we go. and just give it a little flush. That'll just help it to get any of that gunky buildup removed from the filter so that you don't get into a situation where your filter doesn't work. Got bugs everywhere. Flies. It's one thing about the north, the flies are unforgiving. All right, so we've got the filter ready to use, and we'll hook it back up to the unit and get our new water filter started. We are ready to start filtering our water. So I have a high lying twig sticking out from the tree right next to my bear box, so that's where I've chosen to hang my gravity filter. I'm a little on the short side, so this might take a couple attempts. Just kind of take one more. Oh, here comes Sarah to save the day. Oh, thank you, Sarah. We have the water filter hung. And I'll put the cap back on. And then this just clips right into the bottom here. Clip it in there until you hear it snap. And I just have it resting right inside of the lip of that 1 gallon jug. It's not the fastest water filter in the world. It will take probably about 30-40 minutes to filter 1 gallon of water, and this unit does have the 1 gallon capacity. But it's nice because it filters a good amount of water all at once, so that's really nice. I like that. So we'll just let that go, and I will tell you a few more of the specifications about this filter while we're waiting for it to go. We've been filtering the water now for about 5 to 7 minutes, and we've actually got a decent amount of water so far. Now, if you want to stop the filtration process at any point, all you have to do is just recap the filter, and this way the water will remain in the bag. So you have the option to filter water as you go, as your needs arise. I prefer to filter the water all at once, and this way I can have all the water that I'm going to need for the entire night, especially since I have such a big receptacle. Now, the unit itself is very affordable. The Lifestraw Flex filter can be picked up for around $50, and the carbon filter refills are available for around $12.50. So it's a nice affordable system to bring with you in the trails. One of the downsides of this water filter is that it does not filter viruses. If you talk to a lot of backpackers, most people will tell you that the virus filtration isn't necessary as long as you're camping within North America. But if you're planning on doing any international travels, getting a water filter that also will remove viruses is very important. We just don't have that problem here in North America, so this suits my needs perfectly. The other nice thing about Lifestraw is that for every Lifestraw product that is purchased, a child in need in the third world receives clean drinking water for the entire school year. So it's a great company, and they're supporting a great cause, and that's another reason why I like them. Now, if I had to rate the Lifestraw Flex water filter on a 5-point scale, I would give it 4 out of 5 crows. The reason I wouldn't give it 5 is, number 1, it doesn't filter viruses, and number 2, it's reliant on you having the correct landscape. If that hose is not completely vertical, the amount of time required to filter the water is greatly extended. And if you can't find anywhere to actually hang the bag, then you end up getting stuck holding it and waiting for the water to filter. So just be cognizant of the landscape that you're going to be heading into when you're thinking about whether or not you should be choosing a gravity filter as the primary filtration method. But overall, I think it's a great product. I would definitely recommend it. It's done really well for us on this trip, and so far I've been very happy with it. Well, thanks for joining me. I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I hope that you feel a little bit more knowledgeable about how water filtration works. If you haven't already done so, take the time to hit that subscribe button. There is a ton of content on this channel I know that you will enjoy. Until then, get out there, do some adventuring, and just make sure you've got some clean water.